Hello, I'm Stephanie. Welcome to my channel. And today is February 9th, Saturday. And I watercolored in a page of my coloring book. And that's just the laundry room. It has lots of rooms to color in. And this is a 1,000-piece puzzle I started. And I haven't gotten much done. Small pieces. I just enjoy working on it. It is just for fun. I am not a speed puzzler, but I do enjoy watching videos on speed puzzling and the competitions they have, especially while working on a puzzle. Okay, while the boys are at lunch, I'll show you. They have filled in this part of the ceiling, but my husband says that part, the particle board, comes down and something else goes up. That's just temporary. So I could check in the other room. I don't think they've gotten to it yet. There's a place where they had to dig out the ceiling. Yeah, no, that still looks the same. What I'm wearing is not the greatest on my feet, but I could try to go up carefully. Wow, these stairs need a lot of cleaning. Need cleaning. Oh wow, they've really taken over up here. And here's the room. So much more work is needed, but they actually painted the outside, so I'm very impressed. Wow, this whole wall. Let me take you back here. We're in my bonus room, and everything's taken apart. Okay, just doesn't look too pretty. Alright, that's it. That's a sneak peek of our room, new room. Something goes around the corner there. I'm not going to walk in there in my slippers. The modern farmhouse is what I'm coloring in. And here's the cover to the box to the puzzle that I'm putting together. I also made sugar cookies this morning, requested by my son, who got me this cookie jar for Christmas. And the cookies actually perfectly fit in the jar. And since I sent some in to work with him today, he got to try it and he said they're good. So thank you for visiting. Bye.